Page 11 was asking you for the impact of the demand curve with US made cars. So let's take a look at our chart here. For consumer income drops, that means there'll be less of a demand. We are talking about a shift in the demand. Since it's less, it's going to be a left shift. Can I highlight that for you? Which means that if you look on the next page, you're going to shift to A. All right, millions of immigrants enter the US. We're going to have more. Again, shift in demand. But now because it's more, it's going to be a shift to the right, which means that the new curve is C. Price of foreign autos drop. That's going to be less demand on US cars. It's going to be a shift in the demand. Since it's less, it's going to be left. If we're shifting left, that means it's to A. Major cities add inexpensive bus lines. Therefore, less demand for cars. Again, a shift in demand. Because it's less, it's going to be left, which means again that we're talking about A. Price of US auto rises. This will be lower demand. But in this case, we're talking about quantity demanded, not just demand. And the reason being is because we're talking about price. So remember what we said, the difference between page 9 and page 10 was that movement along the curve has to do with price, whereas a shift has to do with that mnemonic device of spice. But now I know what you're thinking. We were talking about price up here, not the case. In number 3, we're talking about the price of foreign cars, which can be seen as a substitute. That is a factor in which you shift the curve, not movement along the curve. So number 5 is a change in the quantity demanded. Therefore, we're going to have no shift because price does not shift the curve. Therefore, we're going to remain at B. Number 6, price of US autos expected to rise soon. Answer here is more. We're going to talk about a change in demand. Because it's more, it's to the right, which is going to bring us to curve C. Families look forward to summer vacations. More, again, a change in demand. Because it's more, it's a shift to the right, and we're talking about C. Last one, US auto firms launch elective ad campaigns. So this one is more. It's going to be the same as number 7. If you have any questions whatsoever, make sure to put a star by the one that you aren't sure about and ask me tomorrow.